Hello everyone, I am Aman Saxena from CSE 4A. I am representing my project Ethos Forces, which is a React Native application that can work on Android and iOS as well. As all of us belongs to a coding background, Code Forces is a big platform for all the coders for mastering DSA and competitive programming. But Code Forces does not provide us a mobile application, which can be very handy and easy to use. Therefore, I created an application for Code Forces where you can do a lot of things and many new features that can help you to monitor your performance and many more. Let's have a look on all. First, user have to provide the handle of Code Forces and press login. After successful login, the profile of user appears, where all the necessary information about user is present, such as username, title, last visit, etc. is shown. The below figure represents the submissions of user on that on day-to-day basis, like you can see on Codeforce's website as well. The more green box represents more number of submissions on that day. Now, let's move on the next section, that is submissions. Here, all the submissions of user are provided, along with the unique ID, date of submissions, name of problem, verdict, such as accepted, time limit exceeded, etc. User can also see any of his submissions like this. Here, the submission made by user is present. Here, the user can see the input, predicted output, jury's answer, and check if his submission is correct or not. And if his submission is wrong, he can also see the test case on which his submissions gone wrong. Now, user can also see the question corresponding to that problem like this. Here, user can see the question, read the question, check the input and expected output, and solve it. Next, moving on to the next section, that is visualizer. Here, first we have a graph that shows the rating of user in each contest. It also shows the minimum and maximum rating of user. Then there is a pie chart which shows the verdict of user, like the number of accepted submissions, submissions that went wrong, etc. The bar graph represents the number of questions solved by the users categorized on the basis of level of question. Next, pie chart represents the solved questions categorized on the basis of tag of each questions. Like here you can see graph, greedy, hashing, implementation, maths, etc. Then we have another bar graph. This bar graph represents the categorization of question on the basis of level of question. Like here the question levels are 800, 900, 1000. It represents the number of solved questions, like 53 questions from 800 rating, 16 questions from 900 rating, etc. Moving on the next part, that is contest. Here user can see all his participated contest, his rank and status in each contest. The green arrow represents the increase in rating and the red arrow represents the decrease in rating. Next, we have predictor. As on Code Forces contest, rating takes about 2 to 4 days to update. Every participant wants to know his rating beforehand, so there is what the predictor does. Here, user needs to select a contest. The predictor will predict the rating of user in that contest. Here, a warning is also given that the ratings are predicted. The actual ratings may differ. Like here, you can see that the predicted rating is 924 and the current rating is 991. So the rating will fall -67. Moving on the next part, we have the problem section. As user might not have access to computer all the time, So the user can read any problem of a specific tag by selecting tags from the drop down. The question list includes the questions, rating, level of each problem. Therefore, the user can choose any problem accordingly and read the problem. Then we have the upcoming contest section. The upcoming section provides us list of all upcoming contests along with the date and time of contest and its duration. The after column gives the time left for the contest to begin. At last, user can log out of his handle. Overall, this application provides ease and comfort to the coding community of Codeforces. Thank you very much.